Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice equation for x values. X squared minus 3 whole squared is equal to 45 minus x squared. First of all, we take a square of this x squared minus 3 according to algebraic identity. A minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. According to this identity, this x squared minus 3 whole squared is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x squared plus 9 is equal to 45 minus x squared. Now we move this 45 and this negative x squared to the left side. X to the power 4 minus 6x squared. This negative x squared becomes plus x squared, then plus this 9, and this positive 45 becomes negative 45 at the left side is equal to 0. Next, x to the power 4 minus 6x squared plus 1x squared, negative 5x squared, plus 9 minus 45, negative 36 is equal to 0. Next, we can write this x to the power 4 as x square whole squared minus 5x squared minus 36 is equal to 0. Now here we have x squared and here we have x squared. So we suppose that let x squared is equal to y, and we substitute y in this equation, then this equation becomes y squared minus 5y minus 36 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and can be solved by factorization. Sum of negative 9 and 4 is equal to this negative 5, and the product of negative 9 and 4 is equal to this negative 36. So we split this negative 5y as negative 9y plus 4y. Then this equation becomes y squared minus 9y plus 4y minus 36 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms, y squared minus 9y, we can factor out y times in bracket left y minus 9, and these two terms plus 4y minus 36, we can factor out plus 4 times in bracket left y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now as you can see, this factor y minus 9 is a common factor, so we factor out y minus 9 as a common factor, and in bracket left this y and this plus 4, y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression y minus 9 is equal to 0, or this expression y plus 4 is equal to 0. And from here y is equal to 9, and from here y is equal to negative 4. Now recall that we have supposed that x squared is equal to y, We have supposed that x squared is equal to y. Find the values of x. First, in this equation we put the value of y 9. X squared is equal to value of y 9. We take square root of both sides. This square will be cancelled with this square root, and x is equal to square root of 9 is plus minus 3. So from here we got two values of x. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to negative 3. This is first value of x and this is second value of x. So we have got two solutions from here. Now to find the other two solutions, in this equation we put the value of y negative 4. X squared is equal to value of y negative 4, and from here we take square root of both sides. This square will be cancelled with this square root, and x is equal to plus minus square root of negative 4. Next, x is equal to plus or minus square root of, we can write this negative 4 as 4 times negative 1. Next, x is equal to plus or minus, we can write this square root of 4 times negative 1 as square root of 4 times square root of negative 1. Next, x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, and this square root of negative 1, square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So we write here I, and from here we got other two solutions. X3 is equal to 2I and x4 is equal to negative 2I. So these are the other two solutions of this equation. These two solutions are complex and these two solutions are real.